Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDJPY. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. And this is not financial advice, okay? But we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, okay? Especially in these troubling times. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started breaking down this chart and this currency pair. First, starting with the currency pair. So let's take a look at what's going on with the USD and JPY. First, starting with the JPY. Okay, so we are entering this week with the JPY still being one of our weaker currencies, but since the opening of the markets on Sunday, it has been having some type of strength. Um, Mainly against the other currencies, not so much against the USD. And this is just looking like it's because talks out of Tokyo is definitely looking like the Japanese government is going to start trying to take a more active role in trying to combat its economic woes. So, with that being said, that started to bring about hope for the Japanese yen and started to give it some type of value. So, we're going to have to see if these words turns into actions and what these actions are going to do towards making the Japanese get towards the Japanese yen gaining some type of strength. So as of right now, it is one of our weaker currencies until we can actually see what this news turns into action does for the Japanese yen. Okay. With the U.S. dollar, there's a lot of things going on with the U.S. dollar. Technically, the U.S. dollar is coming into the trading week as one of our weaker currencies, even though it's behaving as one of our strongest. Now, the reason why it is behaving because it's one of our strongest is the reason why it's behaving as one is the reason why it's one of our weakest. I know it's crazy, right? And this is basically due to the fact that people are anticipating the Fed to increase the interest rate to either 50 to 75%, 50% to 75% increase of an interest rate. So that is actually given that anticipation is actually giving the USD some type of strength as of right now. But the USD definitely has still have a growing dark cloud hanging over it, which is called inflation. We went a couple weeks with the dark cloud going stagnant, where it wasn't growing small, but it wasn't growing bigger neither. But now it looks like it's starting to grow even bigger, especially with the CPI numbers that had came out about a week or two ago that showed that inflation is definitely still growing. We're at like a 40, 50 year high all time with inflation, and it's definitely a lot of fears of a recession that is looking like it's definitely to be coming. Okay. So with that being said, the US dollar we're coming into the trading week at it as is one of our weaker currencies, but it's behaving as strong on a charge due to the anticipation of the Fed interest increase rate hike, which most likely is going to happen is that it's going to have some initial strength around the increased rate hike before it starts to topple down. Okay. So now that we got the fundamentals of what's going on with the USD and JPY out of the way, let us talk about the technical analysis of what is happening on the chart. So as we can see right around here, we hit another 52-week all-time high with this USD JPY pair. So we are going to be looking for some sort of retracement. Now this retracement, depending on how it come in, it could be price turnover or it could be a retracement. It depends on how aggressive the sales come in. If the sales come in very strong, large volume, very large candles. Not taking a lot of candles to get to cover points on the chart. Then price points on the chart. Then we can safely say we're looking at price turnover. But if the red candles are coming in very choppily, very soppily, then we're definitely looking like we're just having some retracement before we start to make a new 52-week all-time high. Okay, so it looks like we're going to either drop to about here, here. We're going to drop to either about here, here, or here before we continue to go back up if the current fundamentals still hold. So we're going to be looking for a drop in price to either here, here, or here before we start to go back up. Okay. Now, if you guys enjoy our content, we ask you guys please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get up to date up to dates and notifications on every time we drop new content. Also, we ask that you guys please like and share the video. Liking and sharing the videos help push the content out there further in YouTube so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders, okay? And also, last but not least, please let us know what type of market analysis videos you guys do want to see so we know what type of videos to post, okay? What you can do is you can comment on whatever video you watch about whatever chart that you want broken down, or you can reach out to us through our email or through our social media. The links to our email and social media is in the description of every video, okay? Well, I do the hard work and we'll do it for you. Or you gotta just let us know what charts you want broken down, okay? That being said, happy trading.